Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from OpenSearch VPS with snapshot and restore full guide step by step clearly. To begin withdrawing from your OpenSearch VPS first, ensure you have access to your OpenSearch dashboard. Log into your OpenSearch VPS account. Navigate to the cluster management section within the dashboard. Identify the cluster you wish to withdraw data from. Locate the Snapshot Management tab on the left-hand menu. Click on the Create Snapshot option to initiate the snapshot process. Fill in the required fields, such as the snapshot name and any additional descriptions. Select the data you want to include in the snapshot from the available indices. Confirm your selections and proceed to create the snapshot. Wait for the snapshot creation process to complete to ensure all data is saved. After the snapshot is successfully created, go back to the Snapshot Management tab. You will see a list of your created snapshots. Select the snapshot you just created. Click on the Restore option to initiate the restoration process. You will need to choose the target indices for the restoration. Decide whether to restore to a new index or overwrite the existing one. Confirm your choices to proceed with the restoration. Wait for the restoration process to complete. Once done, verify that your data has been successfully restored. You can access your restored data through the OpenSearch dashboard. Make sure to check for any discrepancies or issues post-restoration. If everything is in order, you have successfully withdrawn and restored your data from the OpenSearch VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.